Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix pending Gmail in Facebook. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the accounts center and go for the personal details and select contact info. And here you should be able to see an error that there is a pending Gmail account. And if so, just simply select the Gmail that you want, that you are having problems with, and just simply go ahead and select delete email. And after that, just simply select delete and just simply re-enter your email again in order for you to fix this issue. And now once you have deleted your previous email, just simply select add new contact, add email, and just simply provide the email address again, and just simply select your Facebook account and select next, and the confirmation code will be sent to you. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply go ahead and copy the code and just simply go provide it into the confirmation code over here and select next. And after that, you should be able to fix the issue. Now guys, remember that if you cannot find the email code that has been sent to you, you could just simply go ahead. So guys, remember, if you cannot find the code that has been sent to you, you can just simply go to your Gmail and select more over here and just simply go for the spam. And most of the time, the codes will be sent over here on the spam folder, and make sure to check this folder out. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.